A man in the UK sneezed so violently that he actually broke one of his own ribs. That's how much force your body can generate from what seems like a harmless reflex. A sneeze can blast out of your nose and mouth at speeds over 100 miles per hour, rocketing tiny droplets, and, apparently, enough energy to injure yourself if you're unlucky. Most people think of sneezing as annoying or maybe a little embarrassing, but it's actually your body's way of launching invaders out of your respiratory system with explosive power. In this rare case, the sheer intensity of the sneeze put so much pressure on the man's ribcage that it cracked a bone. Doctors say that while it's uncommon, a particularly forceful sneeze can cause injuries like muscle strains, nosebleeds, and in extreme cases, broken bones. Next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember there's a hidden strength behind that achoo, just waiting to be unleashed.